Hey everyone, welcome back to No Code Mastery. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to jumpstart AI with no-code tools. Trust me, it's easier than you think. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1, why AI? AI is transforming industries from healthcare to finance. But getting started can seem daunting, right? Not anymore. With no-code tools, you can harness the power of AI without writing a single line of code. Imagine automating your tasks, predicting trends, or even creating smart chatbots in minutes. Sounds cool? Let's see how. Segment 2. Tools to get you started. First up, let's talk about some amazing no-code platforms. One of my favorites is Bubble. Bubble lets you build web apps with drag-and-drop simplicity. And guess what? You can integrate AI features like image recognition and natural language processing without breaking a sweat. Another fantastic tool is Zapier. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates workflows. You can set up AI-powered automations like sorting emails by sentiment or triggering actions based on data analysis. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Segment 3, getting hands-on. Now let's get our hands dirty. I'm going to show you how to build a simple AI chatbot using Landbot. Go to landbot.io and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, choose a blank template and start customizing. Add different blocks for user input, responses, and AI actions. In just a few clicks, you'll have a chatbot ready to go. You can even integrate it with your website or social media. Segment 4, next steps. So, what's next? The key is to experiment and keep learning. The more you play around with these tools, the more confident you'll become. Join online communities, take free courses, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The world of AI is vast and always evolving, but with no code, you've got a head start. Outro, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no-code tips and tricks. Drop any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with no code. Catch you in the next video.